Halo teman-teman, selamat datang di channel ini. Oke, kenalin nama gue Teguh Prabowo. Kali ini gue mau main game Hogwarts Legacy. Game ini dapat gratis dari Epic ya, dari game Epic ya, di launcher Epic kemarin waktu Desember. Lumayan lah, game yang dulunya itu masuk GOTY teman-teman. Karena ya gamenya keren lah. Game ini dulu di harga 500.000 ke atas dan kemarin dapat gratis teman-teman. Oke, kali ini kita akan langsung aja ke gamenya Hogwarts Legacy teman-teman. Oke, kita gaskan saja. Oke, kita rapiin dulu. Oke, nah. Oke, pas gini aja cukup. Oke, kita langsung ke gamenya coy. Oke, gaskan. Ini ganggu banget. Nah, kita pilih karakternya coy. Jadi kita bisa langsung pilih karakternya langsung. Gue udah pernah coba game ini ya teman-teman. Karena ya buat cek spek juga, takutnya waktu di record kayak gini nanti patah-patah hasilnya, nggak enak dilihat gitu. Nah, kita akan pilih karakternya itu laki aja. Oke, kita miripin saja, bebas lah, siapalah. Biar enak dilihat lah, jadi anak teladan. Ini kah? Oke. Kita ganti rambutnya. Malah mirip Peter Parker ya. Kita nggak perlu lama-lama aja teman-teman, karena ya ini kan cuma gini aja lah. Kita tambah dikit agak, tambah luka-luka biar agak sangar teman-teman. Nah, ini aja cukup lah. Sama ini alisnya. Alis anak baik teman-teman. Wah nih, keren nih yang ini nih. Jadi double-double. Oke, kita main di sih normal ya. Normal aja lah. Mungkin nggak terlalu susah mungkin ya. Mungkin gitu. Nggak terlalu susah. Oh, apa ini nih? Oh, namanya anjing lupa. Priest name. Kita namain apa ya? Bobby kah? Bobby. Kok Bobby ya? Gak mantas anjir Bobby. Lloyd aja lah. Lloyd. Oke. Kita ngambil nama dari Bang Lloyd dari animenya Anya Forger. Lloyd Forger. Biar agak mantas ya teman-teman, karena ini kan game barat ya tipenya. Kalau namanya Asep kan gak masuk gitu. Oke, kita gaskan ke gamenya. Anjay. Profesor Fig.
It's a pity we didn't have a bit more time to spend on spellcasting. I presume you've been practicing the spells we worked on.
I have, Professor.
Well, I'm quite sure I've never seen anyone take so quickly.
Sorry banget ya, gue nggak bisa ngejelasin detail apanya itu, bahasanya ya, karena bingung juga ya. Gue nggak bisa bahasa Inggris soalnya.
George, glad my rather cryptic description of our location did not thwart your finding us.
I've apparated to more vaguely defined destinations than this. Though I confess I may have miscalculated slightly on my first try. Gave quite the fright to some theatre goers in the West End.
It's been much too long. When I received your owl, I must say I...
Best not speak here, Eleazar.
Of course. Why don't we speak en route to Hogwarts? We have a start of term feast and a sorting ceremony to get to.
Wonderful idea. As long as your young charge here doesn't mind me tagging along.
Not at all, sir.
After you.
Ages since I've been to the castle. Would be good.
Oke, kita akan masuk ke akademi, teman-teman. Oke, kita setting dulu. Latar waktunya di England, teman-teman. Wah, apakah dia villainnya? Kencang amat suaranya ya. Warner Bros. Port K.
Glad I caught you before you left for Scotland.
Just barely.
And who is your traveling companion?
A new student.
New?
Yes, sir. I'm starting school as a 5th year.
How extraordinary.
It is indeed. None of the faculty has ever heard of anyone being admitted to Hogwarts so late.
Nor have I.
Jadi kita ini murid baru ya teman-teman di akademi teman-teman.
Skills for 4 years now. The headmaster asked if I could get our new student up to speed a bit before the term begins.
Well, you couldn't have asked for a better mentor. Professor Fig is not only an exceptional teacher, he's also a remarkably intuitive and gifted wizard.
Mr. Osric is prone to flattery. I dare say it's one of the reasons he's risen so far at the ministry.
Have you seen this?
Jir, korannya bisa gerak ya. Udah kayak film Harry Potter. Tapi emang game ini itu emang apa ya? Kalau nggak salah berkolaborasi sama Harry Potter kalau nggak salah ya. Ya kalau nggak salah ya. Soalnya ya mirip-mirip gitu.
Eleazar, who alerted me to his activities months ago.
Miriam? How?
She wrote to me about Ranrock before she died, wondering what the ministry knew about his activities. Before I could respond, I received this. It was the last thing she sent me, Eleazar. It came to me via her owl, but with no correspondence. I can only assume
That she had to get rid of it quickly to keep it safe.
presumably from Ranrock. I
Ranrock.
can't open it. Whatever magic protects this is powerful indeed.
It looks like goblin metal. That symbol.
What's that glow?
I don't see a glow.
Profesor nggak bisa melihat cahaya teman-teman. Kayaknya kita bisa melihat cahaya, tau kan? Apakah kita orang terpilih?
Merlin's beard. How did you
Wait. We did.
Anjay. Ada dragon teman-teman. Dragon.
The key! Give me your hand!
Keren ya. Oke.
Wiggenweld potion. That stuff will right you in a second.
Gi. Kita minum ramuan ajaib.
What happened?
Sepertinya kita terdampar, teman-teman.
I can't believe he
Karena Profesor Fig
hell got into that damn thing.
menteleport kita entah di mana katanya.
A typical dragon would never.
Professor? Sir, where are we?
Look around.
But that key you discovered was clearly a port key.
Portkey.
An item enchanted to bring whoever touches it to a specific place.
I'm feeling better, sir. If you'd like to look around a bit.
I would.
Kayaknya agak kurang semut ya, teman-teman. Nanti kita
Created this port key.
setting-setting lagi si grafiknya. Takutnya patah-patah anjir. Sayang banget. Oke, kita mana sih grafik teh? Grafik, oh ini nih, udah grafiknya udah low tapi kalau nggak salah gue kan pakai RTX 3050 ya, kentang banget itu RTX 3050, tapi ya game-game yang ini kan ya masih ngangkat lah, walaupun nah kan ada Nvidia DLSS biar inilah, biar ngangkat lah gitu. Oke. Apakah masih sama, teman-teman? Enggak lah. Atau emang gini ya? Wah. Cier, keren banget ya.
How far did that portkey take us?
Farther from London than the carriage travelled. We're somewhere in the Scottish Highlands.
Sir,
Scottish
those
Highland.
ruins, do you
The
think...
port key was meant to lead us there. I do. This has not been the day either of us expected. But Miriam sent that port key to George for a reason. And I believe that she...
Ini pakai grafik low aja masih keren, teman-teman ya. Hasil gambarnya pakai grafik low juga.
And wouldn't mind indulging me. I'd like to have a look around.
Absolutely, sir.
Good. Let's see if we can find a path, however faded it may be.
Oke, kita ikuti Profesor Fix.
Mind your step.
Where do you suppose your wife got the portkey that brought us here?
A good question. Miriam spent years searching for evidence of a long-forgotten form of ancient magic.
Ancient magic?
Yes, a powerful magic wielded by a rare few that seems to have been lost to time. Hogwarts Castle was built by, and is itself a stronghold of that ancient magic. I don't know where she came into possession of the portkey, but I am certain it
The
was
path to
to do with our
Hogwarts.
search. Ah, there's the path down below. This way.
Kita kesini, teman-teman.
But sir, why was your wife searching for evidence of lost magic?
Miriam wanted to understand why such powerful magic disappeared from the wizarding world. Spoke of the good it could do. But magic is no different than any power. What really matters is the one who wields it.
Oke,
Is
apakah
that ice?
It's not cold enough here. It appears to be a sort of enchantment. Someone wanted to block this path. Let's see some of that wand work you were practicing.
Oke, kita akan latihan, teman-teman. Basic cast. Mana nih? Oh, gitu. Tadi itu basic dari sihir, teman-teman. Cuma tinggal mencet doang.
That was a bit rougher than I'd expected.
Oh iya, ada penanda nih. Wah, kita berada di isekai, teman-teman.
Thank you, sir.
Isekai. Wah, keren ya. Mantap.
Up there.
Oh, kita naik ke sini, teman-teman. Kita lihat ke sini dulu apakah ada apa? Oh, nggak ada apa-apa, teman-teman.
We're close now. It's just ahead.
Keren ya.
Steady yourself.
Epic ngasih gratis game ini, teman-teman.
Repair.
Yang dulu harganya sampai 500 lebih sih. Tapi kalau di Steam sekarang harganya ya di 200 ribuan ke bawah kalau nggak salah ya. Steam selalu ngasih diskon, ya kemarin itu diskon di 100 ribuan lebih. Itu worth it sih, 100 ribuan lebih. Dan banyak yang membeli game Hogwarts ini di Steam waktu diskon menyesal, teman-teman. Karena di Epic gratis katanya. Mereka itu menyesal di Facebook. Ya mau gimana lagi ya, kalau ada uang kan kita kan nggak tahu ya.
Why would someone have built this here?
Selagi bisa menikmati gamenya ya kenapa harus menunggu-nunggu gitu.
Here for a reason. Let's have a look around for anything that seems.
Let's have look around. Oke, kita harus melihat-lihat dulu, teman-teman. Press itu objektif. Oke. Oke, kita investigasi dulu, teman-teman.
It's a mural of some kind.
Perhaps our host was
Oh, mungkin ini si Merlin ini nih, yang di patung ini, teman-teman, yang digambar tembok ini. Bang Merlin. Oke, kita harus lihat-lihat lagi apakah ada hal yang bisa diinvestigasi. Apakah ini? Nah, ini Bang Merlin nih kayaknya.
Professor, this statue.
This may have been his home.
Oke, kita harus ke sini. Ini kayak agak patah-patah ya, gambarnya. Moga aja lah, enggak lah. Tadi kan udah di setting-setting.
But what could it be blocking?
Oke, ini logo yang tadi
What's
dari kunci.
Professor Fig?
Mana sih profesor? Oh ya.
How odd. Why would someone have conjured that enchanted stone here?
And how is there a room behind it?
What room? I don't see anything.
There's that glow again, like the glow on the portkey container.
Oke, sorry teman-teman, kita cek dulu di Afterburner. Takutnya mana ini Afterburnernya nggak muncul kah? Nggak muncul deh pemberitahuan FPS-nya.
His name?
Apa nih?
Godric's heart.
Waduh,
Where are we?
kita berpindah tempat, teman-teman. Oke, kita berpindah tempat. Kita keluarin dulu Afterburner-nya.
Hello?
Goblin Banker.
It can't be.
Just a moment. Ooh. Where are we here? Welcome to Gringotts Wizarding Bank.
Gringotts Wizarding Bank.
Number 12, I presume.
Precisely.
The key? Your wife's portkey.
Oh, yes, of course.
This way, then.
Stay close.
After you. Keep your hands inside the cart if you don't wish to lose them.
Anjir.
How many vaults are there in Gringotts?
Kita naik kereta goblin, teman-teman.
On our way to vault number 12.
What?
As we speak, we're just beneath the main lobby. The vaults you see now are the newest.
Are private entrances to the bank common at Gringotts?
They are most uncommon. Only one with great wealth or power, or both, could have arranged for such a service. You'll want to take a breath.
A what? That waterfall washes away all enchantments. It's a security measure.
Experienced the thief's downfall before, have you?
Heard of it?
These are the lower vaults that we're passing now. How deep are we going? Vault number 12 was commissioned shortly after Gringotts was founded over 4 centuries ago. It resides in the deepest part of the bank. Settle in. We've quite a distance to go.
Oke.
Vault number.
Vault 12. Momentous day.
On your way.
Professor, the armband that guard was wearing was glowing.
Like the glue you saw on the portkey container?
No, darker. I saw that same glow on the dragon's collar.
Yeah, what was that? We were just wondering about that goblin back there.
He watches over the oldest section of the bank. Rare anyone goes there anymore.
Oke, kayaknya kita sudah sampai, teman-teman, di kunci gerbang nomor 12.
When was the last time this vault was accessed?
A goblin has been stationed at my desk for hundreds of years. In that time, no one has visited Vault 12 until today.
Apaan nih? Gak sempet, teman-teman.
Vault 12.
Thank you for your help.
Oke, kita bisa. Oh, dapat duit kita, coy. Apakah ada lagi? Nggak ada kayaknya.
What do you suppose we should be looking for?
I'm not sure. Sir, I wonder if you
The
might...
instructions for Vault 12 indicate that I am to grant access to the holder of the key and then close the door.
Wait.
Best of luck. Professor?
That was certainly unexpected. Let me think. There must be something here. Revelio, perhaps?
Revelio?
Yes, a revealing charm. No time like the present. Let's see what we're missing, shall we? Ready your wand and focus.
Oke, kita Oke. Hup. Hup. Oke. Kita dapat skill Revelio, teman-teman.
Revelio. There, I saw something.
Move a bit closer and try again.
Oke, kita harus mencoba lagi. Oke.
A door.
Well, that's a start. There's that symbol again. I don't suppose you see a way to...
I do, Professor. That symbol has the same glow as the one I saw on the port key container.
If what you can see reveals the way forward, then I dare say we are about to discover the secret of this vault. Lead the way.
Lead the way.
Lumos. This is no ordinary vault.
Oke, kita dipindahin ke tempat yang gelap banget, teman-teman nih.
Do you think this is some sort of test?
I do.
Maka kita
Revelio.
To what end I can't say.
kali aja ada petunjuk.
There will be no disapparating if things go poorly. Not out of Gringotts.
Kita harus mengikuti Profesor Fig, teman-teman.
I see something up ahead.
Oke,
What is it?
kita menemukan
Glow again, but on the floor.
Oh, nggak perlu, kita kesini aja.
What happened?
When I moved towards the glow, it suddenly seemed as if the ground was swirling about.
Are you all right?
Yes, sir, I'm fine.
You seem to have caused the floor to change.
That statue.
What statue?
I see some sort of statue, but only as a reflection in the floor.
Oke, kita menemukan seseorang di bawah lantai, teman-teman.
I presume this
Okay.
is what you saw reflected in the floor.
It is. The reflection's still there, but the statue's positions don't match. Wait. When you moved, the reflection turned in the direction of the light.
Oh, cuma ini doang, teman-teman.
Perhaps you should cast Lumos.
Lumos. Oke, kita dapat skill lagi. Oke. Kita dapat center serbaguna, teman-teman. Oke. Pencet satu. Oh. Waduh,
Now the reflection is
gerak nih, teman-teman.
me. It
Oh, kalau deket-deket.
follow the light.
Kalau didekati bergerak dia, coy. Kalau dijauhi tuh, oh, mati lagi. Oh, mati. Hidup lagi. Mati lagi. Aduh, kau nih kenapa? Coba. Butuh baterai kah? Wanjir, malah manggil teman-temannya, teman-teman. Queer tuh. Oh. Oh, Pratego, teman-teman. Descendo. Levioso. Depulso. Kita apa? Skillnya apa, Ancol? Oh, masa lu mau skillnya? Oh, yang oh, ini kita teh. Oh, oke, untuk melindungi, teman-teman. Dan kau meremehkan aku ya. Kau meremehkan aku. Dan sini kau. Berani sama saya ke, waduh. Kebacok lagi, teman-teman. Ini banyak amat nih. Guardiannya banyak amat. Review object the way forward. Oke. Oh, jadi ini tadi. Oh, aduh. Harus menghindar sebanyak 3 kali teman-teman untuk menyelesaikan tantangannya. Oke, beres kan? Pantas banyak gak beres-beres aja. Tantangannya tadi nggak diselesain. Stay close. Loh. Oke.
Professor!
Oh,
Professor Fig!
Lumos.
Professor, where are you?
Oke, tadi ada tanda teman-teman ke
Where am I
sini.
supposed to go? What's happening? The wisps of magic seem to be leading me somewhere. Lumos. Ah, that's where they're leading me. That glow again.
Waduh. Malah muncul lagi nih Alibaba. Oke, apa kita reveal ya lagi?
I suppose I'm on my own this time.
Sepertinya ini ujian lagi, teman-teman. Oke, bentar. Kita ambil dulu duit. Nah, duit lebih penting, teman-teman. Oke. Oke. Sepertinya kita diuji lagi. Kenapa nih? Aktif
I notice when I use
status.
statues with their reflections.
Oh. Oh, kita harus di sini, teman-teman.
Guess
Biar.
I have no choice. I'm going to have to fight my way out of here.
Waduh. Apakah kita akan berantem lagi, teman-teman? Kan bener. Anjir. Main bacok terus aja. Wah. Oke. Hold key during Protego. Oke. 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 Waduh. Tak sopan kau.
Lumos.
Press to sprint.
Revelio.
Oke, sepertinya kita berhasil keluar, teman-teman. Di mana ini, teman-teman? Oh my god. Lah,
There you are. How did you...
Profesor Fig, teman-teman.
What is this place?
I don't know. But I found this floating above that basin.
That is no mere basin. That is a pensive for viewing memories. I wonder... Follow my lead.
Oh ini, sepertinya yang tadi itu air ingatan teman-teman. Kayak rekaman lah. Oke, Bang Marlin nih sedang membangun.
All is in place. The portkey is well hidden.
Oh,
Perhaps too well.
bukan Bang Marlin.
The path created
Kirain Bang Marlin.
may be impossible to follow.
Percival
It
Rackham.
will be impossible for one who cannot see traces of ancient magic as I can. Your ability to see what others cannot will not
Charles
be enough
Rockwood.
personal. We are
Rockwood,
entrusting one who
Rockwood.
embarks on this path with powerful secrets, with knowledge others will do anything to obtain. Yes, and if we are correct, Charles, the ritual wizard who completes the trials will have proven themselves worthy of that knowledge and the responsibility that accompanies it. We've done all that we can.
That's what you're seeing. The glow that surrounded them.
Yes, sir.
Astonishing.
Can I see magic?
Traces of an ancient magic, to be precise. The magic that Miriam had always believed existed, but could never. Miriam, and perhaps George, died in pursuit of knowledge that has been dormant for centuries. And you, it seems, are the key to understanding why. We were...
It all looks rather different than it did a moment ago.
Someone's coming.
Sepertinya ada yang datang. Waduh.
No, but sir, you shouldn't be in here.
Apakah dia villainnya teman-teman?
I
Oh, mukanya dari muka-mukanya udah emang
seems my reputation
kayak
precedes me. I was beginning to think no one was ever going to visit Rackham Thorpe.
goblin tambang. Oke, sepertinya kita akan berantem teman-teman.
Give me whatever it is you found here.
Ini tadi polisi yang tadi, polisi, goblin keamanan cepunya teman-teman.
Sir, they had the key to the vault.
Choose your next words wisely.
I only meant that the instructions to Vault 12 were quite clear. Sir, I must insist. I was to grant access only to one with the key, and you'd interrogate.
I have no patience for traitors. Now, where were we?
I'm not giving you anything.
Well, perhaps your young friend here will be more helpful.
Wah, sepertinya keamanannya nyala teman-teman. Hantam.
I know a way out.
Waduh, hampir saja. Oke, sepertinya kita berhasil keluar,
Are
teman-teman.
you all right?
Fine, sir.
I've never seen so powerful a goblin. He seemed wholly unaffected by my magic.
Where are we?
It can't be. seems those who set up the Pensieve, the Locket, and the Path to Both wanted someone with your ability to end up here. Come. We have a sorting ceremony to get to.
Oke. Oh ini teman-teman, sekolahan kita teman-teman. Wadah, keren ya, anjir nih. Portkey Games, Hogwarts Legacy. Mencet apa nih teman-teman? Oh nggak perlu mencet. Oke, kita nyampe ke sekolahannya, ke sekolahan. Wah keren ya.
Oh, good. We haven't missed the sorting ceremony. I'm no expert, but that seems more appropriate. Now, I need to study this locket as soon as I can, but first I must contact the Ministry. They need to know what happened to George and be warned of Ranrock. For the moment, I ask that you keep all that's happened this evening between you and me.
Of course, sir.
Thank you. Ready for the sorting ceremony?
Sepertinya kita telat teman-teman.
Black. Prepare yourself to meet the headmaster.
Headmaster.
Fig, nice of you to join us. The sorting ceremony's over.
There were complications.
Complications?
It seems the goblin problem has...
Enough. Goblins. I've no time for rumors, Fig, and I'm rapidly losing whatever patience I had left. If you're lucky, we might still be able to get you sorted this evening.
Oke, kita
I'll be in touch.
disuruh masuk teman-teman.
Professor Weasley, we've one more to be sorted.
Welcome. You're just in time. Have a seat.
Ah, yes. A bit older than the others, aren't you? You come here with preferences and preconceptions.
Certain expectation. I can be cut crayons. I cannot start. Ini
I'm
aja
looking
lah.
forward to meeting my professors and learning all I can at Hogwarts.
Indeed. Hogwarts has much to offer a dedicated student. And what you learn in class will prepare you for challenges outside the classroom as well. I wonder... I detect something in you. A certain sense of... what is it?
Daring, curiosity, loyalty, ambition. Ambition aja lah.
Is it ambition? I may seem single-minded, but it is important to go after what you want from life.
Interesting. You've recently learned that you possess a rare ability. I detect a growing sense of ambition, an eagerness for power. Perhaps you belong in Slytherin.
Oke. Kita dipilihin sama makhluk topi ini untuk masuk ke sorting ceremony di Slytherin kita. Oke, kita acep aja ya, kita terima aja. Kalau lihat orang-orang sih ada 4 jurusan ya. Apa bukan 4 jurusan? 4 apa ya disebutnya? 4 kubu lah. Ada yang hijau, ada yang biru, ada yang merah. Oh kan? Kita kan dipilihnya sama Pak Topi itu untuk masuk ke Slytherin, teman-teman.
One more thing. Due to the unfortunate injury on the pitch in last spring's final, this year's Quidditch season has been cancelled. Enough. It's not as though I've banned flying altogether, but don't tempt me. You are here to focus on your academic futures. I'm sure you will have plenty to do before classes begin tomorrow. I said, I'm sure you all have plenty to do before classes begin tomorrow.
Quite an entrance. It's lovely to meet you. I'm...
Professor Weasley, would you be so kind as to show our new student to their common room?
I shall see to it, sir. As I was saying, I'm Professor Weasley. Pleased to-
Professor Weasley.
Nice to meet you as well, Professor.
As Deputy Headmistress, it is my distinct honor to show you to your common room. Right this way.
Oke, kita harus mengikuti Profesor Weasley, teman-teman. Wah, keren ya, abad pertengahan.
Common for a student to begin as a fifth year. It may be a bit of a challenge, but one I'm sure you're up for.
I can be quite resourceful.
I suspected as much. This is the entrance to the Slytherin common room. In order to enter, one must simply speak the correct password. Aspiration.
Aspiration.
Very well. Aspiration.
Well done. Now, go on in and get some sleep. You have a big day ahead of you tomorrow. I shall be back in the morning to collect you for your first class.
Thank you, Professor Weasley.
You're welcome. I hope you enjoy your first night at Hogwarts. Sleep well.
Oh, yes. Oke, kita berada di kamar si bro.
Looks like everyone's gone. Better head to the common room.
Oke, kita lihat-lihat dulu. Wah, keren ya, Wah. Apa nih? Oh, apel. Kita makan apel, teman-teman.
Revelio.
Apakah ada sesuatu? Ternyata tak ada. Oke, kita kesini kayaknya. Oke, benar. Wah, keren ya.
I suppose some introductions are in order.
That new fifth year must be different. Starting Hogwarts in your fifth year.
Wonder where they're from. They're lucky they didn't end up as geography, like that poor man from the ministry.
Revelio.
Still, the end of the sorting pyramid. Can't imagine starting a new school.
Oke, kita harus Memperkenalkan diri dulu kayaknya teman.
Can I help you? Oh, you're the new 5th year. I'm Sebastian Sallow. Welcome to Slytherin.
Thank you.
Not everyone has a ministry escort to school.
He was a friend of Professor Figgs who merely joined us for the ride.
Still, impressive. Dreadful way to go, poor fellow. Glad you and Fig are all right.
It was exciting.
It was dreadful, certainly, but quite an experience nonetheless.
Interesting perspective. How did you and Fig manage to escape?
It's all still a bit of a blur, to be honest.
Didn't mean to press. You just get yourself settled. We can talk more later.
It was nice meeting you, Sebastian. I'll let you get back to your book.
Nice meeting you too. Good luck today.
Wah.
If you do that, you'll lose. Trust me. Ugh, not going to move there, are you?
Here, watch this.
Don't say I didn't warn you. Checkmate. Told you. You should have listened to me. Ah, I know who you are. You're the new Slytherin, the one who barged in with Professor Fig last night. Interesting tactic on your first day, taking all the attention away from the first years. I'm Imelda, by the way. Shame I wasn't with you in Fig. I could have lured that dragon away. My skills on a broom are legendary.
Perhaps Professor Fig's friend would have survived if we'd had your help.
Precisely. Perhaps one of these days I'll show you a thing or two about flying. I can teach you more than Kagami.
Gue nggak ngerti ya bahasanya.
I'd like to get into time on my broom.
Bukan nggak ngerti ya, paham sih tapi nggak terlalu. Wah. Jadi ya kalau terlalu banyak cangcingcong agak bingung juga. Oke, kita.
I think I heard one.
Doubt mermaids find us that interesting. Ah, based on all the chatter when you entered the common room, I'm guessing you're the new 5th year. I'm Ominous. Ominous Gaunt.
Nice to meet you, Ominous.
Well, you certainly had a memorable arrival.
I'd
Memorable.
much rather have arrived on time and without a dragon attack en route.
I'm sure. How horrible. I can only imagine. Well, it's good to have you in Slytherin. Do let me know if I can be of any help as you navigate your first days here.
Were you expecting to be sorted into Slytherin?
Most certainly. My family on my father's side are direct descendants of Salazar Slytherin, one of the 4 founders of Hogwarts. Not something I'm especially proud of, mind you. He was obsessed with blood status, a pure-blood maniac. Unfortunately, most of his descendants do not fall far from that tree.
Were you expecting to be
Aduh,
sorted into Slytherin?
malah nanya lagi.
My family on my father's side
Jadi
are
keluarganya
direct
itu
descendants of Salazar Slytherin, one of the 4
Slytherin,
founders of
teman-teman.
Hogwarts. Not something I'm especially proud of, mind you. He was obsessed with blood status, a pure-blood maniac. Unfortunately, most of his descendants do not fall far from that tree.
Thank you, Ominous. Very nice to meet you.
Pleasure was all mine. Don't be a stranger.
Oke, kita sudah beres untuk bertanya-tanya.
Weasley's waiting for you just by the stairs.
Oke, mungkin durasinya kita sejam dulu aja ya teman-teman, sejam kurangan lah. Nanti kita lanjut ke part 2-nya aja. Karena ya mungkin perkenalan di sini cuma perkenalan aja kayak ya masuk SMP, MPLS lah, masa pengenalan lingkungan sekolah.
Good morning. I trust you're ready for your first day at Hogwarts.
Oke, kita akan dikenalkan tempat-tempatnya bersama Profesor Weasley.
Make the most of it. You only have one first day at Hogwarts. Now, in light of your unique situation, joining us as a 5th year, you'll need to catch up with your classmates and not fall behind. Especially as you'll be expected to complete your OWLs at the end of the year.
OWLs? Owls?
Yes, your ordinary wizarding level exams. They will determine what type of career you can have when you leave here. After much discussion with the headmaster and the Department of Magical Education at the Ministry, we've devised something extraordinary to ensure your success.
Oke, kita dikasih buku, teman-teman.
What is it?
It is a wizard's field guide. It will help you to keep track of what you are learning so that you master all that's expected of a 5th year. You would be wise to take full advantage of this exceptionally valuable resource.
Thank you, Professor, but what do you mean it will keep track of what I'm learning?
Perhaps seeing it in action will answer any questions you may have. Walk with me and we shall put it to the test. This way.
Oke, kita harus mengikuti Profesor Weasley, teman-teman.
I certainly would have appreciated something like the field guide when I was a student.
Pause chess, please.
Using the guide will also train you to be alert to your surroundings.
Wih, keren.
The guide will give you opportunities to practice your magic and educate yourself about wizarding lore. Do keep up. Why don't you cast Revelio on that statue and see what details the field...
Oh, ini cuy. Kelpie. Oke, challenge-nya. Profesornya ngamuk kan, nggak didengerin.
Keep your eyes open for more opportunities like that, inside and outside of the castle. Good timing. Perfect opportunity to show you how to use blue flames to get around a bit quicker. Your field guide contains a map of the castle. Open it up and find Central Hall.
You can open the map and time to fast travel. Jadi kayak apa ya? Bisa dibilang teleportasi, teman-teman. Oke, kita di sini. Oke, kita ke sini.
And here we are. Quite the time saver. These stairs lead directly to Central Hall.
Central Hall.
You can get almost anywhere in the castle quickly from Central Hall.
Mantu.
Always something happening here. It's the heart of the Hive, our King's Cross station, so to speak. That should be all for now. You'll be expected to attend both Charms and Defense Against the Dark Arts classes today. And I'd like to be sure you get to Hogsmeade as soon as possible to replace the supplies you lost on the way here.
Thank you, Professor Weasley.
A lot to absorb on your first day, and you have much to learn. Happily, your professors have agreed to create additional assignments for you outside of class. You'll be up to speed in no time. Judging by your adept use of Revelio earlier, I'd say Professor Fig succeeded in at least showing you the basics.
He did, Professor.
He's been terribly vague as to the events preceding your arrival, specifically about what happened after that awful dragon attack. My suspicion is that there's more to the story than a search for belongings and an extended trip up to the castle.
We did take a bit of a detour on the way here. Ended up exploring some ruins and... I shouldn't say more.
Exploring ruins? Well, I presume Professor Fig has his reasons for keeping the details to himself for now. Speak of the devil, Professor Fig. Your ears must have been burning.
Oh?
Yes. You seem to have provided our new fifth year with a solid foundation in the basics of spellcasting.
Ah, I'm afraid I can't take all the credit there, Professor. They've a rare aptitude for magic, it seems.
Well, I'm just glad you both arrived in one piece. Perfectly good boats and carriages to Hogwarts, and you chose to fly in the path of a dragon.
I wouldn't say I chose the dragon's path, Professor. Rather unfortunately, it would seem that it chose us.
Very well. Enough chit-chat. I need to get to class myself. Might I rely on you, Professor Fig, to explain the details of the field guide's map?
Of course.
Thank you. Good luck today. And remember to use your field guide. It will be invaluable to you. And invaluable to me, as I'll be using it to keep up to date on your progress.
Yes, Professor.
Come and find me in my classroom after you've attended both classes today, and I'll explain more about those assignments I mentioned. And we'll see if we can't get you to Hogsmeade for those supplies.
Oke.
It's good to see you, Professor.
And you. I was hoping our paths would cross today, before you immersed yourself in studies. Did I hear you and Professor Weasley talking about exploring ruins?
She caught me off guard. I didn't tell her anything else about our travels here. I will say, I think she suspects we're not being entirely forthcoming.
Yes, well, Professor Weasley is a brilliant and astute witch. It was right to keep the details to yourself for now. We don't know where this path we've embarked upon will lead. It may require a bit more flexibility with your time than she would approve of. And she may feel obliged to share details with the headmaster that would be better left between us.
Understood, Professor.
Good. Now, as capable as you are,
Jadi dilarang membicarakan hal yang tadi kita lalui, teman-teman. Masuk ke ruangan gaib.
Speaking of guides, and so that I may avoid another not-so-subtle reproof from Professor Weasley, why don't I show you the clever enchantment we included in the field guide's map? Unfold it and have a look.
Oke. Sepertinya beres, teman-teman. Banyak basa-basinya. Kita dapat misi The Represent main quest, completing main quest, will further the story, unlock new feature, and grant XP. Oke. Jadi ini tuh misinya, teman-teman. Kita belajar reward. Oke.
The map is enchanted to help you find your way.
This will be incredibly helpful. Thank you.
Now, sounds like you've quite a day ahead, what with classes and a trip to Hogsmeade for supplies, including your own wand. You'll enjoy Mr. Ollivander. He's an exceptional craftsman and a good friend. I shall reach out when I have more information about our mysterious locket. For now, focus on your classes and pay attention. More than your owls may hinge on the magic you are able to master within these walls.
Oke. Sepertinya kayak questnya komplit, teman-teman. Oke, mungkin segitu aja ya, teman-teman, untuk video part pertama dari Hogwarts Legacy ini. Nanti kita lanjut ke part 2-nya, teman-teman. Oke, mungkin segini aja. Sekian dari saya. Bye-bye.